Hey everyone, welcome to Grade 9 Science, Chapter number 1, Matter in Our Surroundings, Topic 6, Evaporation, Part 1. In this video, you will be able to understand about evaporation and factors affecting evaporation. Have you ever wondered how wet clothes get dried? Yes, it is because of the process of evaporation. So, the water which is present on the surfaces of the wet clothes, they get evaporated to water vapor, and this is how wet clothes get dried. But do you all think that this process of evaporation happens at a specific temperature only? That is, for example, the boiling point of water? Obviously not. So what is evaporation? The process in which a liquid changes into its vapor at temperatures below its boiling point is called evaporation, which means evaporation takes place at all temperatures. Understand evaporation on the basis of kinetic energy. We all know that liquids have kinetic energy greater than solids, and hence particles of liquid move in random directions, which is why liquids do not have a definite shape. But some molecules in liquid have high energy while others may have low energy. The molecules keep changing their energies due to molecular collisions. This means one molecule may hit another molecule and there might be an exchange in their energies. Due to this, some molecules present at the surfaces may acquire sufficient energy to escape from the free surface of the liquid, and this is how molecules present only at the surfaces might escape into the atmosphere by the process of evaporation. So students, for any liquid to evaporate, it must absorb heat which is provided by the liquid और by the surroundings. किसी भी लिक्विड को इवेपोरेट होने के लिए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज है कि उसे हीट एब्जॉर्ब करना पड़ेगा, और ये जो हीट एब्जॉर्ब करता है, दिस हीट इट कैन बी प्रोवाइडेड बाय द लिक्विड or by the surroundings. Hence, evaporation is an endothermic process. Endo means inside or absorbed, and therm means heat. So, whenever heat is absorbed, we call the process as endothermic process, and rightly so. In evaporation, as heat is absorbed, it is an endothermic process. When the evaporating liquid takes the required heat from the parts of the liquid or the surroundings, it causes a cooling effect. Now, let us proceed to the factors affecting evaporation. The first factor that we are going to talk about is the temperature. We all know that a rise in temperature will result in the conversion of a liquid to gas more quickly, and hence the rate of evaporation increases with a rise in temperature. The next factor is surface area. We just studied that evaporation is a surface phenomena, means the particles that are present at the surfaces will get converted to vapors or gas, and hence we say that evaporation, it takes place only at the surface of the liquid. So if the surface area, which is nothing but the area which is present at the surface of the liquid, so if that is more, then obviously the rate of evaporation will also be more. तो जब भी चाय गर्म होती है, yes, when the tea is hot, what is done, students? Yes, it is kept or it is poured in the saucer. Okay, so why do we do that? Because when it is kept in saucer, the surface area increases. See, the surface area when the liquid is it is present in the cup. Yes, it is very less, only 3 particles are present at the surfaces. But when the same liquid is poured into a saucer, the surface area now increases, and hence the rate of evaporation increases. The next factor we are going to talk about humidity. Humidity is nothing but the water vapor or the moisture that is contained in the air, that is present. Humidity is nothing but the water vapor or moisture present in air. When the surroundings contain very small amount of water vapor, evaporation is faster, and that is why clothes dry up faster on a dry day than on a rainy day. This is because on a rainy day, the air is almost saturated with water vapor. So, it will not be able to accept any other or any more water vapor. As a result, the evaporation of liquid or evaporation of water will be slower. The next factor we will talk is about the wind speed. Now students, when wet clothes are spread, now suppose this is a row onto which there is a wet cloth that is spread. So the air which is present around this wet cloth, it becomes saturated with water vapor that comes out from this wet cloth. Isn't it? Because of which the evaporation rate becomes slower. But if there is a wind, yes, तो अगर wind है, so what will happen? This moist air will be replaced by dry air. तो dry air आके ये जो water molecules है उसको क्या करेगा? Replace करेगा. And hence this will result in faster evaporation, and hence faster drying will take place. So this was wind speed as a factor. The next factor we are going to talk is about the nature of the liquid. जो liquid evaporate हो रहा है उसके बारे में. So there are some liquids like petrol or acetone. Yes, acetone is present in nail polish remover. So these liquids, they evaporate very faster या एकदम quickly evaporate होते हैं as compared to other liquids. तो ऐसा क्यों होता है? Because they have very small value of latent heat of vaporization. Also, in other words, we can say the liquids in which the intermolecular forces are weak. Okay, जिनके बीच जो particles के बीच का जो attraction है, अगर वो weak होगा, तो but obvious they will get converted to vapors more quickly or they will evaporate faster. The liquids that evaporate faster, they are called as volatile liquids. So petrol, acetone, chloroform, all these are volatile liquids which will evaporate quickly or faster as compared to other liquids. So with this, we complete the factors affecting rate of evaporation. So thank you so much, students, for watching this video.